IIJW Day 2 couldn't match up to the glitz and glamour of Day 1. Day 2 काफी ठंडा था और सेलिब्रिटी प्रेजेंस भी काफी कम, लेकिन जो सेलेब्स दिखे उन्हें देख के ऐसा लगा जैसे वो फैशन वीक में ज्यादा और ज्वेलरी वीक में कम हैं। पहले लिस्ट ऑफ सेलेब्स दिखे हमें मौनी के शो में। हैदराबादी निजाम कलेक्शन को शोकेस करती मौनी ने हैदराबादी स्टार्स को ही रैंप पर उतार दिया। First up was Taapsee Pannu, who looked elegant in her royal outfit. But Taapsee, what's with the hairdo? You look straight out of a mythological story. Your hair gathered more attention than the jewelry you were wearing. Next was Rana Daggubati, जिनका लुक थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग था। रैंप पे आए थे नवाब बनके, but why are you sporting an out of the bed look? और फिर स्पॉट हुई काजल अग्रवाल, who looked elegant in a navy blue gown, और उनका ज्वेलरी पीस भी था काफी एंगेजिंग। तो आइए इन स्टार्स से पूछ लेते हैं about their experience of being a part of this jewelry week.
Show has been great. This is Moni's first show, and I think she's done a fabulous job. I love her jewelry. This is inspired from the Satlada collection, which is very Nizami jewelry from Hyderabad. And considering I have a deep association with Hyderabad, I started my career from Telugu movies. So this is a very nice way to introduce Nizami jewelry and to introduce the entire concept and the culture of Hyderabad to the entire country. And I think she's done a great job.
Well, it's obviously inspired from the Nizams. It's from a town that I am from. It's culture that I've grown up on. And it's Moni who's lives 3 streets away from me. So it's a combination of all of that, which is why I'm here. And bizarrely enough, there's actually another piece of jewelry that I also wear, which is my earrings, which actually became a part of my life from the last the only piece of jewelry, and that's not even mine, it's my mom's. So I'm saying, so there's some jewelry connect that I also have.
It's debut not only for Moni, for me as well. After Chashma Mathur, it's the first time I'm walking ramp here, and thank you so much for making me Queen Bhagmati. I am the Queen Bhagmati for this show. I'm getting Satlada. It's like it has to be. I mean, it's something really big for my debut, and it cannot be bigger than becoming the Queen, walking with the best of Telugu and Tamil and now Hindi industry people.
उसके बाद थी बारी नेहा धूपिया की, who walked the ramp with much ease. नेहा की एंट्री तो बड़े बैंड बाजे के साथ हुई, and the bridal look was perfect. पर आपकी वो purple waist belt over the lehenga is a big no-no.
This is the Nizam collection. It's full of uncut diamonds, and I've decided today to make it look different by wearing a neckpiece on my head. And what's a bride in the making who doesn't really have too much fun with her jewelry, and that's what I'm representing today.
ये था IIJW Day 2 का राउंड अप, जहां स्टार्स ने किए थोड़े फैशन डिजास्टर्स, but some stood out. आगे के दिनों के लिए वॉच आउट फॉर दिस स्पेस। ओलिका श्रीवास्तव, Zoom, Mumbai।